told me to close my eyes so that I could not see. And when I opened them up, he was on one knee, reaching for my hand. That's when he proposed to me.
Watch you smile while you are sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment.
When you treat all your bridesmaids to brekkie. Well, mom's not a bridesmaid, but hey.
And when people like they don't get brekkie, like
Mom's getting set through. Okay. How is my mom getting this kind of treatment and she's not even the bride? No way! No, and look at our little hot chocolate. Yeah, this is tall. You don't want just roll up, roll up. You're enjoying that, love?
oh, you know what you see you get like this?
This camera picks up everything so clear. Mama, you enjoying that?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Everyone eating. My plate looks really big, you know. I'm gonna have to cut. I think the most expensive things out there is your credit.
Yeah,
Credit is so expensive.
Yeah, Guinea. Let me see. And he has
You
like
call it
an
Aki?
Yeah.
You call that Aki?
You call it Aki.
You know what That's Guinea. You know what we call Aki?
Aki.
Do you have Aki?
So you have two what?
Do you have Aki?
Do we have them?
So you make some videos where we get to dress it up and then.
I'm just gonna see how it looks, isn't it? We're not rushing today. You rushing? Ah, look at that baby corner. Get it, girl. Oh, get it. Get it. Oh, get it. Suck it in. Suck it in. Suck it.
Nice.
These two colours.
Look, when you want, can we try her one? Hello, ladies. Look over here.
Look here, come here. Come here. You see any dress you're choosing for them, you have to get with the sparkler top because through your dress, you see pattern?
Yeah.
So any dress you're looking at, we have to look at the sparkler top. So these dresses really look
This
nice.
colour is
Let me see my girls. Ooh. Okay, all stand together now. Let me go this way.
Trying to see what it's like.
Turn this way. Oh, what's you? Is it recording?
I might have to
I'm loving it. You know these look white on camera, innit?
Do they?
Yeah.
But they want white, so these really pale.
They're so nice. Let me see the hands, to the hands, girl, to the hands, to the hands.
We're getting married too.
To the hands. Oh, yes. And the head bit, yes. Go around. Okay. I like the clothes. So that was the first shot. There goes another shot. So we're going up the stairs. No, I don't like all that stuff there. It's true. Hey, what's this? What is this? Because Serena just flew up there, like say, oh, Lord. Listen, I don't think I like it already.
Walk up the stairs, better not be in vain.
I don't think I like it already.
No, because I saw the one down there.
Right.
It's not finished.
Was it all on your foot them? Oh no.
That's very purple.
Ooh.
That's purple. I swear it's a colour sort of but lighter than it.
Yeah, I was just trying to see it.
It's lighter.
I thought this is
Oh, wait, don't.
well, in 2017 everything changed.
But that one in the shop was exceptional.
I thought this one is purple.
She don't like it.
It's not this color purple.
No.
No,
we need it.
2017 everything changed.
No.
The colors have changed.
No.
Dress. This shop was definitely not it. Oh, this shop. La Fella. I've been running from morning. Okay. We're going in the feathers now. Yes.
Make sure on time.
Huh?
Yes, we like.
Gold is very far from the colour. I think it's a bit, it's fast, but it's too like out there, isn't it? Serena, what's in your trunk?
I don't know, you know. It's on my
Is it River Island? Is it a River Island bag? It's so heavy. Cheers.
I think the bag
In
itself
it,
is just heavy.
the bag weighs a ton.
Oh yeah.
This camera is too fair, look.
Oh my god, the camera is epic. It's so big.
Look at all my little bump down. This camera's too feisty.
I had a view into it.
For what time?
No, I didn't.
Oops. Sorry, babes. Look at that blue one. That was so sexy, but they don't have it in small sizes.
The man I gave the ring, he was saying, first he was saying I can use a guarantor. We got the guarantor and telling me I can't use a guarantor.
Why?
And they didn't even take the money.
Why?
Landlord was such arsehole.
They had the poor woman naked up in this. They've utter ada. Oh my god, that is walk to me.
I am tripping up there.
You're gonna have a bit of heels in it. It's the first one. Yeah.
Should I try the heel one?
You got heels in? Yeah, try some heels.
So then we can see the
Oh my god! Oh, you look so good. Imagine if you had the little thing on
Yeah, I
now.
know. It's going to look good, isn't it? And it's got the booby bit that we wanted.
Yes, and the booty bit as well. Big bumper girl. You me like, back it up and No, Becca, you look really nice. Do you know what I like this bit.
Yeah,
So you
I
don't
like
have to
that
spend
bit.
to buy a chain and everything.
True.
Just the earring, and you have the silver thing. Oh, girl, you are slaying. I really like it. So that means my change of dress has to be similar to that style then. No, Becca, honestly,
I'm hitting the sunbeds from now.
hit the sunbed, girl. Hit them sunbeds. Yasmin. Oh my God, no, this is it.
Sorry, man.
This is it, ladies. This is it. This is the. Sorry, Papa. Sorry, Bob.
Oh, yours open.
No, I'm loving it. This is it, ladies. So we were saying, yeah, because you know the maid of honor, you can wear this and they can wear that one. But see how your one's open? Yeah.
Yeah, but they're different blues though.
They're different blues. That's like a royal. This is like a blue. Turn around.
she's off. Made up on a bridesmaid. Tell me, you want to incorporate the ready needs?
Me personally, I don't think the two dresses
No,
go.
no.
Don't you think?
No. I think they're so different. This is...
Oh my God, yes, honey. Put it.
Silver shoes.
Oh,
There, silver shoes.
turn around. Oh, you can't wear a bra there.
No, I'm not gonna wear a bra. I'm just.
Oh, slay. My bridesmaid better than yours.
Yeah, I do like it.
It's nice. Maga Sarina, go on, girl. Do one look at 1, 2 more. Oh, get it, girl, get it. Oh, bad it up. Yes, love it. No, it's actually really. Sorry. All right, go again, closer.
I'll take like 20 pictures.
I'm loving it, and then that's the back. Oh my gosh, yes,
Nice.
that is amazing.
What
Oh,
for you, Rebecca? What for you in a one? Yeah. Take it doing out of you.
it's still recording. Oh, yes, man. That is perfect. Now tiptoe next to her.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh yes,
Wow,
I see the
yes,
vision.
yes,
Yes.
Alright, we're finished now.
We're finished now.
So grand. Can you not catch me?
I won't. You're not on it smoking.
No, but a grand on dresses and you can't...
But to be fair though, it was £299,
Yeah, but that's the price that it just is.
That's their difference. They
Yeah.
put
Oh, that's our bus, you know. Sis, Mummy, you can't because it's already gone. The bus stop's down there. Oh, look, there was a store down here.
Ask my company do I know?
Hey, look, it's sliding there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that might your six, babe. Love you. Thank you for today.
Bye-bye. Oh,
Did you dab it out?
I told you.
It was my smile, wasn't it?
Today was nice though.
Oh, I'm so glad you've got it all now.
It's all done now. And if you're a new Jules, hello. Welcome to, I think we're looking over there. Welcome to the family. It's a pleasure. Yeah, it's a pleasure. So stay tuned for more wedding chronicles because so ending it here. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I love you loads. Me old Jules, me new Jules, me in between Jules. It's been a while since I've said that. Me old Jules, me new Jules, me in between Jules. What? So yes, pour myself a little bit of bubbly, but well, not champagne, but a bit of fizzy because I'm gonna have some fizzy. And we're watching Tatty's vlog. See, big up she, yeah you. Love my Tatty. So I'm gonna chill with Mummy for the rest of the night. Watch some more vlogs, eat some good grub, eat some good food, drink some tea. I think turn out, yeah. Me I left me spoon, me now with a spoon, you know. I don't eat with no fork. I don't believe with that one. I'm gonna leave you lots here because my food is there and I need to eat or else you know the batty not gonna grow. I'm joking, but I need to eat. Love you loads and please, we're a family, so let's stay connected. Let's stay connected. So snap me, tweet me, Instagram me. I'm mostly on Snapchat, so snap me, add me on Snapchat, let's talk, let's get acquainted, yeah, so we can grow the family. And also rude or what? Also please remember to join my YouTube group on Facebook, out of one many YouTubers. I'll leave the link in the description box so you can click it and join it. If you're an upcoming YouTuber or already established YouTuber, please do join it. I'm begging you. We need more followers